To Natasha now, and today was a nice day, but the rain is back.
The rain is here, and we also have some thunderstorms, mostly at the south end of the valley right now. We've had some heavy downpours, and some of you may have even captured a little bit of lightning happening in those clouds as well. So that possibility continues for the next few hours as we wait for this latest disturbance to pass by. Tomorrow, we're back to more rain. Temperatures much cooler, too. We're in the mid-60s right now. Tomorrow morning, upper 50s, and then tomorrow's daytime high really not surpassing 60 degrees for the most part. And showers will continue throughout most of the day and then again tomorrow evening. How are we doing right now in Ridgefield from our ALMANAC camera? Looking pretty good so far. For the most part, the pavement is dry. Not the case, though, if you're in Vancouver or Portland right now. Here's your view right now from our downtown camera. So how about your temperature? It's 64 degrees. Wind, for the most part, is calm. Looking at your hour-by-hour forecast, rolling into those early morning hours. Again, we expect those showers to kind of be a part of the picture at least until about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, with a few breaks in between. So as we look at radar right now, we're seeing some of the heaviest showers once again lining up right here along I-205. You have a little bit of a break over to the east side of Gresham, and then just as you're heading up along Highway 26 past Sandy, that's where you're running into those heavy showers again. On and off also through the gorge along I-84 over to Bonneville and also through Vancouver right now. Let's take a look at where the cluster of lightning strikes are really focused over north central Oregon. Just east of the Dalles as you're approaching Arlington, so in between the Dalles and Arlington, right there along I-84 is where you're running into those thunderstorms that are producing lightning strikes. So along with this, we're getting a variety of different size hail, but for the most part, what you would see in the valley would be maybe some pea-sized hail at best. But when these thunderstorms do come through, they're moving at a pretty good pace of about 35 to 40 miles per hour. So those downpours, while they'll get your attention, are moving on pretty quickly. How about the rain? What do we do so far today? Well, of course, at this point, haven't measured anything at PDX, but I think by the time we roll into tomorrow morning, we'll have something to measure. Looking at your month-to-date totals, 2.33 inches. That gives us a nice surplus of over 1.5 inches month-to-date. So we've already surpassed our normal June full month total, and we're not even halfway through the month yet. So that's pretty impressive. Let's see if we can collect more of that, which I do anticipate over the weekend. You know, Sunday morning will be some morning rain, but by the afternoon, Dan, I think we'll get a little bit of sunshine and up to about 68.
We'll need that. Thank you.